on the way to take my 2 girls to chiropractor. I don't feel like doing a thing, but as always, it got to get done.
Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some pressure to your back, okay? Alright, so I'm going to have you take a deep breath in. If it's too much pressure, let me know, okay? How tall are you? Tight. Is that painful? Wiggle your toes for me. Nice. How was that? Yay! And what's your favorite color?
What's the ready to go home? Get back in my bed. Just tell baby.